So welcome back to another video of Python coding. So today we are going to make calculator in Python. So in this video I'm using PyCharm community software. So let's get started. So first you have to make three variables. So the first variable I'll name as num1, and I'll make an input statement in this. So it allows the user to type something. So first I'll type enter the first number, enter the first number. So the user will enter the first number, then afterwards we have to make a variable so for the operators. So with the help of this variable, the user will able to make the user will able to input the operator, type the operator. So we need to type input enter operator. So we are done with this. So the third variable and last is the number 2. So number 2, same as the first one and the second one. So we are done with the variables. Now now we have to make the calculator functionable. So for this we have to make it we have to make a use of the if statement. So we'll type if the operator is equal to the plus addition sign, so double quotation mark and addition sign and then colon, then it needs to print num1 plus number 2. So if the operator is equal to the addition sign, then the computer will print the first number, sum of first number and the second number. And with the use of elif, we can continue the if statement. So for this, now we'll continue all of this for this other operator too. So for minus, so minus colon, for minus it has to print num1 minus num2, then again a elif statement, so operator equal to multiplication sign. So it has to print num1, sorry, num1 into num2, and another one. So for the division sign, division, it has to print num1 divided by num2. So, and next is what if the user inputs the wrong operator. So for that we have to make an else statement saying that if the user inputs a different operator which is not equal to plus, minus or multiplication or division, so it will print invalid operator, invalid operator. So we are done with the calculator program. So let's see after running. So there's something I think so wrong. Let's see what happens when we run it. So we'll enter the first number. So I'll type 45 plus 25. So the answer is wrong because see what the mistake we have done is that we have just written here and input the numbers. We have to make it float or integer. So I would prefer you to tell to make it float. If we put decimal number, so it can give us the correct answer. So I'll put it float, type float, and here bracket. So what this does is basically that it will convert the number in the decimal, so it will be easier to get the answer. And so let's see if it works properly. So So the first number is 45. Yes, it works properly, and you can see that it is converted into decimal. And let's see if this works when we type a decimal number. So this works again. So it also works in the decimal numbers. So thank you for watching this video and hope you understood how to make a calculator. And subscribe, share and like this video, and do press the bell icon to get notified when I post any new videos.